Assalamu alaikum. English speaking skill improvement tips. How to improve English speaking skill. Number one, practice regularly. Engage in daily conversations, read aloud, and practice pronunciation to enhance fluency. Number two, expand vocabulary. Learn new words and phrases, use them in sentences, and gradually integrate them into daily conversations. Number three, seek feedback. Request request constructive feedback from proficient English speakers to identify areas for improvement. Number four, utilize language learning apps. Explore language learning applications offering speaking exercises and interactive dialogues for skill enhancement. Number 5. Participate in English speaking communities. Engage in discussions, debates, and social events within English speaking groups to boost confidence and fluency. Improvement English speaking skills, overcoming common challenges in speaking English. Pronunciation, focus on mastering common English sounds and intonation patterns. Vocabulary expansion, regularly learn and practice new English words and phrases in context. Grammar enhancement, work on improvement grammar through exercises of consistent practice. Building confidence, engage in regular conversation practice to boost confidence in speaking English. Strategies for improving English speaking skills, exploring effective methods to enhance English speaking ability, regular conversation practice. Engaging in regular conversation practice is essential for improving English speaking skill. So we have to practice regularly. Seeking constructive feedback. Seeking feedback from proficient English speakers aids in identifying areas for improvement. We can take help of proficient English speakers for our improvement in speaking skill. Active listening to English speakers. Actively listening to English speakers helps in understanding accents and improving speaking fluency. Expanding vocabulary. Learning new vocabulary enriches language skills and enhances English speaking ability. Improving English speaking skills. Essential tips. Enhance your English speaking proficiency with these valuable tips. Practice regularly, expand vocabulary, seek feedback, initiate native speakers, embrace conversational opportunities. Leveraging technology for English speaking practice, exploring effective ways to improve English speaking skills, language learning apps. Explore a variety of language learning apps to enhance vocabulary and practice speaking English. Online pronunciation tools. Utilize online tools to improve pronunciation and accent through interactive exercises and feedback. Virtual conversation patterns. Engage in conversation with virtual patterns to improve fluency, confidence, and real life communication skills. Strategies for overcoming effective tactics to manage speaking anxiety. Deep breathing exercise. Deep breathing. We have to practice deep breathing. Practice deep breathing to calm nerves and improve speaking confidence. Positive visualization. Visualize successful speaking scenarios to boost confidence and reduce anxiety. Gradual exposure. Gradually expose yourselves to speaking situations to develop confidence over time. Improving English speaking skills. Tips for enhancing English speaking proficiency. Regular self assessment, frequent self evaluation aids in identifying strengths and areas for improvement. Setting specific language goals. Establishing clear language proficiency targets enhances focus and direction. Celebrating milestones, recognizing and celebrating progress boosts motivation and sustains improvement efforts. Immersive language learning for English speaking. Tips for improving English speaking skills. Immersive language experiences. Engaging in activities like watching English language movies, reading English books, and participating in language exchange programs to for enriched language skills and cultural understanding. Regular English conversations. Actively engaging in regular conversation in English to improve fluency and confidence. Vocabulary expansion. Focusing on expanding English vocabulary through consistent practice and learning new words regularly. Accent and pronunciation practice. Dedicating time to practice and improve accent and pronunciation through listening and speaking exercises. Effective effective strategies for improving English speaking skills. Embracing feedback and continuous learning. Seek feedback from native speakers. Actively seek feedback from native speakers to gain valuable insights and improve language proficiency. Engage with language instructors. Regular interaction with language instructors aids in refining pronunciation and fluency. Peer feedback collaboration. Collaborate with peers to exchange feedback and support each other's language learning journey. Maintain a curious and open mindset. Embrace a curious and open mindset to foster continuous learning and improvement in English speaking skills. Improving English speaking skills, unlocking opportunities in globalized world. Continuous improvement, consistent practice leads to gradual enhancement of English skills. Diverse opportunities. Enhanced English speaking skills open doors to various professional and personal opportunities, personal growth, improved communication abilities, foster personal development and confidence, global competence. English proficiency empowers individuals to thrive in the globalized professional landscape. Please stay connected with my Facebook page and YouTube channel. Subscribe and follow. Embracing growth and opportunities, take the first step towards improving your English speaking skills and unlocking a world of opportunities. Thank you. Thank you for staying with me and follow the steps to improve your language skills, speaking skills, English speaking skills. Okay.